Providing your turtle with a proper diet is very important for its health and its welfare. If we take a look at the different types of diet, then there are three types. The first one is a herbivorous diet. This is the type of diet that an elephant eats. It contains only plants. The second type of diet is an omnivorous diet, which is eaten by, for instance, a bear and contains both plants and meat. And the third type of diet is a carnivorous diet, which is eaten by a lion and only contains meat. If we take a look at the diet that is mostly provided to turtles, then we see that some people provide the turtle with a herbivorous diet, like we should give to an elephant. And we see that some people provide their turtle with a carnivorous diet, which we should give, for instance, to a lion. But both these diets will cause your turtle to have certain deficiencies. Providing your turtle with a proper diet is much more complex than most people think. A young turtle is predominantly carnivorous and therefore eats almost 100% animal proteins. An adult turtle, at least if we talk about the pond slider turtles, they are for 70% herbivorous and for 30% carnivores. In addition to a plant-based diet, these three types of diets are regularly given to a turtle. The first one is the pellet, and the pellet is a very good diet because it's well balanced. It contains all the vitamins and minerals your turtle needs. The second diet contains of gamares. This is not a well-balanced diet. Your turtle will get certain deficiencies if it only gets this type of food. The third diet is a turtle mix. It contains both pellets and some fish species, and this is a good diet, but there is a problem. A lot of people give their turtle certain animals or certain parts of this diet because they see that their turtle prefers them, or your turtle will prefer a certain part of the diet and will only eat this part, and therefore the turtle might get deficiencies as well. So it's the best to feed your turtle with pellets. Normally you should give your adult turtle about 3 times a week a diet of pellets, and every time you should give your turtle the amount of food which is similar to the volume of his head. Or another rule is that you provide your turtle with the amount of pellets that a turtle can eat in 5 minutes. If your turtle is new, then the turtle might have stress and therefore eat not very well. So it's important to wait with counting until your turtle is very happy in his enclosure and will start eating immediately. Then you can start a timer and count the number of pellets you give to your turtle a number of times and calculate the average and then give your turtle this amount of pellets. In addition to the pellets, it's good to provide your turtle with certain vegetables and fruits. A diet based on pellets is of course quite boring for the turtle because he will eat it in only 5 minutes. But in the wild, your turtle will be busy a lot of time during the day with providing himself with a certain amount of food. They will have to exercise, they will have to search for it, they will have to hunt. But in a tank, this is very boring. So therefore it's good to give him certain other types of foods which contain a lot of nutrients, but which are harder to eat. The types of food which have a green color, you can provide them regularly, and the types of food which contain a yellow color should be given less regularly, because most of these yellow foods contain more sugars, more natural sugars, so they will give your turtle more calories and then it will easier become obese. Unfortunately, this table is in Dutch, but based on the pictures you can see the type of foods we mean. If you don't provide your turtle with a correct diet, then this will have certain consequences. Something we regularly see is a vitamin A deficiency. And such a vitamin A deficiency can cause your turtle to get eye infections or to get a pneumonia. In addition to this, vitamin A is very important for the uptake of iron from your turtle's intestines. And if they don't have enough vitamin A, then this can cause an anemia. In addition to this, if you feed your turtle too much, then this can cause your turtle to become obese, which is of course a big welfare problem as well, and might cause your turtle to have a lot of other diseases too. An improper diet can also cause your turtle to get certain deformities, and deformities can also be caused by improper housing. If you provide your turtle with correct diet, then this is very good for his health and his welfare.